And now it's time to work on congruent angles. The first step to drawing congruent angles is to draw a ray. I'm going to name the end point of this ray point E. Step 2 is to make an arc on our original angle. So I'm going to put the point of my compass on the vertex of the angle, and I am going to draw an arc that intersects both sides of the angle. I'm going to label these points of intersection S and R just for future references. Now, using the same setting of the compass, we need to make an arc extending from our ray. Notice how I've made that arc nice and big. Don't make a little short one. I'm going to name the intersection of the arc and the ray O, again, for future reference. And now we can move on to step 3. We are going to measure the distance across our original angle. So we are going to go from point R to point S, and we are going to measure that same distance from point O. So from point O, I will draw an arc that intersects that original arc on the ray. And let's go ahead and name that point C. Now we will finish off our angle by drawing in ray EC. So now we should have constructed 2 congruent angles. Shall we check and see how well we've done? I'm going to place my protractor down here on the angle, making sure my vertex is at the correct point down here, making sure that one side is aligned with 0. I am going to measure this angle, and this angle is about 74 degrees. So coming over to this angle, again, placing my point at the vertex, making sure that one side is aligned perfectly with 0. I am now checking my angle, and once again, I am at 74 degrees. That is how you construct congruent angles.